Hello, everyone. Today's session is exciting. We'll explore the world of iconic global brands like Coca-Cola, Nike, and Apple to see how they master the art of positioning. These companies didn't just sell products, they created identities, built emotional connections, and earned places in the hearts of millions. The goal is to learn from their successes and see how their strategies can inspire the development of our branding efforts. The objectives of this lecture are: examine the positioning strategies of Coca-Cola, Nike, and Apple. Understand how these brands created distinct identities in competitive markets. Learn key lessons that can be applied to your brand strategies. Explore a story and analogy to illustrate the power of effective positioning. Coca-Cola, the king of happiness and togetherness. Coca-Cola's positioning is a textbook example of emotional branding. While it's a soft drink, Coca-Cola rarely focuses on the product. Instead, its messaging revolves around happiness, togetherness, and shared moments. Coca-Cola creates emotional resonance from the iconic Share a Coke campaign to their holiday ads featuring Santa Claus. Key lessons from Coca-Cola's positioning. Emotion over product. Coca-Cola sells feelings, not just a beverage. Consistency. Every campaign reinforces its message of happiness and togetherness. Cultural relevance. Coca-Cola adapts its messaging to fit various cultural contexts while maintaining its core identity. Nike. Inspiring greatness. Nike's positioning centers on empowerment. With the slogan, "Just Do It," Nike appeals to anyone who seeks to achieve greatness, regardless of skill level. Its campaigns are inclusive and inspirational, connecting athletes of all ages and abilities to the brand. Key lessons from Nike's positioning. Inclusivity. Nike speaks to everyone with a dream, not just professional athletes. Emotional connection. It builds loyalty by making customers feel motivated and capable. Authenticity. The brand consistently aligns with its message of perseverance and ambition. Apple, the icon of simplicity and innovation. Apple's positioning emphasizes simplicity, innovation, and premium quality. The brand differentiates itself through sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly experience. Apple's focus isn't just on selling products, it's about creating a lifestyle. Key lessons from Apple's positioning. Simplicity. Apple avoids clutter and focuses on clean, clear messaging. Premium perception. It positions its products as aspirational items. Community. Apple creates a sense of belonging among its customers, making them feel part of an exclusive group. Story. The small coffee shop that took inspiration. Let's explore the story of a small coffee shop called Perk Up. Nestled in a busy city, Perk Up struggled to stand against established chains. The owner studied Coca-Cola, Nike, and Apple to understand their strategies. Inspired by Coca-Cola's emotional connection, Perk Up created a warm, community-focused atmosphere with events and loyalty programs. Borrowing from Nike, the shop motivated customers with inspirational messages about chasing goals over coffee. Finally, like Apple, Perk Up simplified its menu and improved its packaging, giving it a sleek and premium feel. The shop flourished, becoming a local favorite. The moral of the story is that learning from successful brands and adapting their strategies to fit your own identity can lead to remarkable results. Analogy: the puzzle pieces. Think of brand positioning as assembling a puzzle. Each piece, emotion, consistency, authenticity, and innovation must fit together seamlessly to form a complete picture. Just as a missing or mismatched piece ruins the puzzle, weak or inconsistent positioning can confuse customers and weaken the brand.